beautiful stars, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing this figure that I got from Amazon. It's from one of my favorite movies. And before I start this video, you wanna wonder why I have reddish purple hair? I dyed it earlier, and that video is gonna come out before this video. So I'm not gonna be showing my face all in this video, just for the intro, and I'm gonna be flipping over the camera to unbox this second figure in my collection. I have the first one, but this is my second one in my collection of the title. So let's get into the unboxing, and the rest of the video is gonna be voice over. So I'm gonna open this Coraline figure. She's in her star outfit. And this is like the different posable pose you could do with the Coraline. This is from Leica Studio. And now let's open it. So now I'm gonna pop open the back of the box. You don't need no scissors to open this. You can open and close it. So I'm gonna take the poster off of the back and I'm gonna show you the front and the back of the poster that it has in the box. That's what the front looks like, and I'm gonna show you the back. It's showing you the different poses you could do with the Coraline doll. Now let's open her back up and try to take her out of the box. I'm so excited to see what she looks like out of the box. Now I took her off the box. Now let's take off the stand. Now let's see what the stand comes with. Oh, it comes with this tiny thing. Says like, oh, to not have cockroach inside. Those stuff, those bead stuff. And I'm trying to take off the tape so I could take off the board stand. Now that says do not have cockroach inside. Now let's open this board. Now to the pieces that has to hold the Coraline is in the box. Now showing you what it looks like. That's the package that came with. Now we're gonna take off. That's what she looks like. I was gonna take her off first. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna cut that tab so it could be easier to take her out. Now let's cut snip. I don't wanna cut her fabric or her. Snip. Oh, that came off. I didn't even cut that one. So now let's take this one off. This is like the one could
this video is gonna be
hold her.
over.
That's the two sticks beside her. I never seen this kind of stand holder, but my first time seeing this type of stand holder. Oh, that's what it looks like. Oh, it's clear. Now let's get the third part of the stand. Now, that's what it looks like. Now let's take her off. Try to be careful not to rip her off. Oh, excuse me, I almost burped. Now that's what she looks like in her star outfit. She looks so pretty in her star outfit, and her and my old Coraline doll in her right outfit, the hair color is different. But I love her in her blue star sweater, and look at her boots and her pants, and her outfit is so adorable. So adorbs. So adorbs. I love it so much. And I'm doing a 360 of her. Yeah, a 360 of her. Now I'm gonna show you me building this stand thing. Now I was trying to figure out how to build this stand, but my dumb butt could not figure it out. I had to go back in the poster to look how it was. Now this is where I realized no, not this. This is where I realized I was building it wrong. Where I saw that you could bend that, and now I did build it the right way this time. Because I don't know how I did the first time. I did not build it the right way the first time. My dumb butt could not figure that out. The second try was always a second try. Now, that's what the whole stand looks like. And this clip is me trying to do one of the poses from the poster thing. It looks like she was floating. I don't know how to do that. Look at me struggling to make her pose like she was floating in the air. Look how funny this is. Me trying to figure out how to do this. I was expending almost 20 hours, half of this clip, of trying to make her pose something. Try to make her pose. But look how much I was struggling. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I thought that I broke it. I thought I broke the thing that clip her on her waist. I thought that I broke it. But I didn't. I didn't break it. I thought I did. I thought I did break it. And here's me trying to pose her again. Look, she looks like she's floating, but I'm holding her. But, oh my goodness. I thought that I was breaking it. I thought I was breaking the stand, but I wasn't. Oh my goodness. Me being a dumbass trying to figure this out. Look. I was trying to do that one. In the middle, she looks like she was floating. Me trying to do that. Wait for it. Okay, wait. And she fell. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing it right or am I doing it wrong. Then I was trying to do that, but I gave up. On trying to make her pose in that shit, in that thing. So the next thing I realized that she has holes in her shoes. That it has some holes on the bottom of the stand, so she could like stand without the clip-on thing. And me trying to figure out how to do that. And basically, I did that off camera. Oh my goodness. You could see me struggle. Oh my goodness. Yes. And I love this Coraline doll. She is like in her star outfit. And the stars over. Okay, in that clip, I figured out off camera to put her in her place. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, this is her posing like this, and she's so gorgeous. I love this Coraline figure. So I am going to put my first Coraline doll next to the new one that I have. That's how different she looks. Oh my gosh, look at the difference between the two hair colors. The Coraline and her star suit. Oh, she fell. Oh my goodness. But Coraline in the star outfit, her hair is blue. And the Coraline in her rain outfit is like a turquoise blue. Now, she looks so pretty. Look how pretty she looks. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna do it 360. I hope you enjoy this video of me unboxing my new Coraline in her star sweater. And like this video was so much fun to film. And this is like my second Coraline doll ever in my collection of Coraline. And this is like my first Coraline doll I ever have throughout the year. And I love it. I love Coraline so much. It's like my favorite. Who I'm trying to make her that move. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell notifications to become a beautiful, beautiful star. And have a great day, night, wherever you are. And bye.